in action. We're back in the action, boys, with another POV angle. Don't worry, we'll change it up soon. Now, do y'all remember? I just can't do it. No, this is weird. All right, this is a little bit better. Do y'all remember when I told you guys I found out a way to get virtually anything for free off Wish?
That's the new peak?
Shut up! Alright, if you guys don't remember, let me re-spark your wiener a little bit. Now, y'all may or may not know that Wish has a bunch of items that are actually free on their website. The catch-22 here is, in order to get those free items, you gotta pay for shipping. Now, let me tell you one thing about old NameBran. I'm a conniving retard, and I say that because conniving sounds like a really smart word, and I'm not too smart, so if you put retard at the end, it leaves no room for argument. Anyway, of course, I had to find out a way to actually get this stuff that I deserve for free, because I deserve it. So what I did is I did a little research after figuring out that Selena Gomez had another, in fact, slip, which is sick, and I found out that Wish at one point had free shipping codes. It was a flippin' no-brainer, bro. Of course we're gonna get some free stuff and not pay for shipping by using the code, so I did it. And then I shared it with y'all, and literally within the day, they took off all those codes. So I'd like to think for my own ego that they watched my video and they're like, hey, this guy's got a huge say, and we should probably stop this before all his fans do this. Even though it's probably just coincidence, but hey! My ego doesn't stop there. Anyway, what we got here is a bunch of packages, as y'all can see. But without further ado, let's take it over to the unboxing cave so we can get a little up close and personal in there. Still sounds gay. Wow. Oh, welcome to the unboxing cave. That's Bane. Oh, welcome to the unboxing. It's really just not worth having panties on my fucking face for this bit. Anyway, of course y'all know the NameBran fans real strong. We're marking the game the greatest of all time. I want to say one more time in this video until we actually do it. If you guys give this video, you know what? I'm gonna make it easier. If you guys give this video 1,500 thumbs up within the day instead of 2,000, we're about to shave my head bald. I feel like y'all don't want to see it enough, but you guys really don't understand how weirdly shaped my head is, and I got a bunch of scars at the back of it because I used to be a bad kid. I'd slam the back of my head against desks when teachers told me I had the wrong answer. So anyway, 1,500 thumbs up within the day, I'll shave my head bald. Anyway, getting into the video, as I said, this is a bunch of free stuff I got from Wish. I will give any one of these to any of you guys in the comments because I don't need this stuff. I literally just liked that I got it for free. So my mission is accomplished. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packages. Oh, I didn't realize I had to throw up until I finished that sentence. Let's go. We're gonna start from the smallest to the biggest because I think the biggest lost sneakers. Now once again, baby, we're dealing with only Hypebeast crap in this video. We got, I don't really know, I haven't looked in the packages yet, but we got sneakers for sure, and then a bunch of other Hypebeast items that I think are gonna be sick. Oh yeah, this one's sick. So I've ordered about 30 things off the website, and we had 6 come in. I've been waiting for like a month for all this stuff to come in. I thought, you know what, let's just pull the trigger and make this video today. We got an off-white belt right here, boys. They're very sick, and if you guys ask me how much it costs free. It's a no-brainer. Of course we're gonna use this and whip our girlfriends when they're not doing things that we ask them to. Is that too far? I don't know. Actually, I already have real off-white belts, but I mainly got this for you guys. But hey, this is kind of sick. You guys let me know if it looks real or not. I'm gonna tell you right now, it doesn't. But if you guys don't care, it's a sick item from Wish, and it was free. I just looked at this for a second. If you put your wiener through this, you can actually make a little meme or a little goof, if you will, like you're walking your wiener, because it's like a little wiener lace. Anyway, that is, thought I'd add that on for anyone that needs cool things to do in their life. Ah, next up! Ugh. Ow! Oh, okay. So this next one here, I'm actually really stoked for. I think I'll probably give it away, but I think I also want to use it maybe before I give it away for a bit in a video. But we got the iced out diamond linked, what's a watch term? But watch right here, which is not a watch term, but I had to say something funny. As y'all can see, we got the iced out watch right here. I don't know if y'all wear fake watches or not. I definitely do not, but I was actually curious to see what a fake watch on Wish for free would look like. Honestly, the metal's not too bad. I think this is absolutely gimmicky and it looks awful. But yeah, man, we got diamond plates all over it like every girl's vagina should be. That's opening it to your access. When I say that, it's a weird way of saying you can get anything you want. Not that girls are things, but they're definitely more of an object than we are sexually. That sounds bad. I love women. I respect you. Very dope. I'm kind of just doing this video as a massive giveaway as opposed to just showing off a bunch of stuff that I'm going to throw out. So keep enjoying the video. Let me know down below what you want in this video, and if you want to win it, all you got to do is thumbs up this video. My Instagram's right here actually. If you message me what you want, then I'll pick from there. Yeah, follow me too, of course. Notification bell helps. And send proof. Ah! Next up, another free thing that we got. What the hell is this? Oh! Yeah! This This one was so sick. I didn't think they had items like this on the website because this actually released from Supreme. It's super light, so it's definitely not like, is it a real one this light? Is this a good replica? Anyway, we have a Supreme Harmonica right here. I honestly just got this one for myself because I'm really trying my Bob Dylan impersonations lately. Oh, I'm Bob Dylan. And I thought that really added to my bit. This is actually pretty good. This is a pretty sick one for free, I thought, from the website. It's not going in the Supreme room because everything I have in here is real, except for like stuff that I've customized and stuff like that, but not going in the Supreme room because once again, Bob Dylan impersonation is coming real soon. Hey, Mr. Tambourine Man, please. I'm a big fan of the Big D, you know what I mean? Still sounded gay. Alright, next up in the free packaging, boys. This is a really sick one, actually. So if you guys don't remember, I did an Instagram ad a video of one of these a long time ago, and I think I paid $150 for one that we figured out later it was fake. So this one I thought would be really good to get for free because we can actually give it away. And this is a Supreme money gun right here with no money. What? Why is there no money in this? Oh yeah, battery's not included too. Awesome, what a load of horse shit. Anyway, what the f am I gonna do with this without any Supreme money? Anyway, we got this one right here, free from Wish, which is sick. For the person who gets this, I'll tell you what, I'll put $1 American in this so you can use it. And I'll load it up with batteries, because I'm not stingy. How am I about to get this for free and you're not gonna add the Supreme flipping papers in it, dicks? Anyway, very sick. We got that one right there. I'm going fast because I actually want to get into the sneakers. I actually want to kind of see how legit they look. But Supreme money gun, that's dope. Somebody will get this too. Alright, so we got 2 more packages here. Definitely sneakers. Yes, it is. Supreme, I've actually owned these before. I think I got these off IOFFER a long time ago. If you guys didn't see about 2 or 3 months ago, I think I burned my last one. So here we go. We got the Supreme, Louis Vuitton, Adidas Nmds right here, which are just absolutely horrendous. If you guys have ever had Nmds, they don't look like this. This boost is absolutely awful, but I think it's kind of a sick custom, which is probably why I copped it. I'm kind of pissed off because there were supposed to be so many more sneakers coming, but we only have, I guess, now 2 probably, unless I had something else for this video. Look at this right here. So they have like the little dots, but it's not even punched out fully. And that's how you do a quick, legit check, kids. There you go. It says suck for suck my dick. Brand with the stripes. The 3 stripes. Awesome. I'm glad you guys know how many stripes are on this, even though you added 4. Idiots! We got 1 more package left. This one seems a little bit heavier, a little bit doper. Let's get into it. Yeah! Okay, I was hoping we'd get a pair of Yeezys for this video. So as y'all can see, we got a pair of Yeezy 750s right here, which absolutely just look awful. And then they've got the strap, which is very sick because if you actually put your wiener in here, you could strap over top of it. It's kind of a funny POV picture if you ever want to post it to Instagram. Did it one time. We actually have a zipper right here. It's not YKK. I don't even know if they're supposed to have YKK. This is a regular shoe. Got the other one right here. Honestly, a horrible fake. This is just rock solid. I actually think this is just, yeah, this is hard plastic. It's not even spongy. But honestly, not bad for $1. So, that's a video for today. I wish I could talk more about some of this stuff, but I actually have to go to a birthday party in like 10 minutes, which is why I'm really rushing this. But what I really wanted to do is I hope to give you guys a lot of the items that I got in this video. So, all you guys got to do, once again, as I told you down below, appreciate y'all for watching. We got some really crappy Yeezys right here, so if anyone wants any of these, I don't promote the fake stuff, but I think it's funny if you guys want to walk into school and just be open about them being fake. I think I would do that always if I was in high school. You know what's funny too? This right here, the Velcro they have on this is probably better than the actual pair they put out. I always had a problem with that, with the 750s, I think these ones are. This was always not strong enough, and this zipper always broke. I owned a pair in my past. This one actually seems really strong. It's actually like not a bad quality shoe. But anyway, talk too much. I gotta get going. I gotta get going, throw up apparently. Appreciate y'all for watching. NameBran, fans real strong. Merc in the game, the greatest of all time. Y'all the GOATs. Wow.